All right, this is for the people that are planning a trip or moving to Thailand. Thailand is implementing an electronic travel authorization program and launching its new e-visa system on January 1st, 2025. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm going to teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And then today, we're talking about Thailand's new electronic travel authorization program, you guys. It's actually coming out here in the next few days, January 1st, 2025. All right, this is for the people that are planning a trip or moving to Thailand. Thailand is implementing an electronic travel authorization program and launching its new e-visa system on January 1st, 2025, revolutionizing travel to the Kingdom of Thailand. The fully operational e-visa system will be available for international travelers to apply for visas online, eliminating paperwork and embassy visits. So that's the big thing for people. Like, you don't have to go to the embassy to do this anymore. You can just do it, bam, right there wherever you're at, which is a big benefit for some people. This system applies to all 97 countries whose passport holders can enter Thailand visa exempt. That's including the US, the UK, the EU, Australia, and Japan, guys, okay? But there's still 93 other countries after that. Applications will be accessible through the official Thai e-visa website and will be similar to other countries' ETA programs. I'll put the website up here for you guys so you can take a look at it. So travelers will need to provide their basic geographical information and their travel information, such as their passport details, accommodation information, and their flight data, like their flight information too. So it's that simple. That's the only stuff you need to show to apply. And then unlike some other programs, it's anticipated that the application will be required for each trip. So for each trip, you'll have to do the visa again, which makes sense to me. So, but there's some programs you don't have to do that. There's some countries you don't have to. Although this may seem like additional paperwork for some people, there's two big benefits from doing that. By providing this information in advance, you'll be able to skip the lines in immigration. They'll have an automated line for you guys. That's at the passport gates too. And it's expected there will be no charge to the traveler for using the system either. We really won't know that until the 1st of January to see if there's going to be any small additional fees to use the online system. But it sounds like it's just you're gonna get what you pay for. Like, you're just gonna pay for the visa and that's it. You're not paying for the electronic service. But we'll see about that. So they're saying that it took them over 10 years to put this together. It said it developed over a decade. The new e-visa system emphasizes on convenience and security with the 3 A's approach. Apply anywhere, anytime. Payment of fees, where applicable, will be digital. Thanks to partnership with Casacorn Bank. With coverage spanning over 94 embassies and consulates, the e-visa program aims to attract tourists, business professionals, and students while boosting Thailand's global competitiveness. While visa exemptions for 93 countries still remain unchanged and still are valid for a generous 60 days with an option to extend for an additional 30 days, electronic confirmations will streamline airport procedures. For those not eligible for visa-exempt entry, this new online system will greatly simplify and modernize the process. So if you're not able to enter visa-exempt, this system's going to help you out because you can just do it right online. It makes it super simple for you. This innovation is expected to significantly streamline the visa process, boost the number of visitors, and is a major step in Thailand's leadership in modern travel solutions. This is an important step forward for the modernization and travel to Thailand. Stay tuned for further updates as the system rolls out, you guys. If you find this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And share it with everyone who wants to travel or maybe thinking about moving to Thailand. This is all information for you guys, okay? All right, have a beautiful day, you guys. This was just another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine. I'm going to teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And I'll end it here with a little view from the balcony, okay? It's a beautiful day in Thailand. Well, it was a little overcast today, which is all good. It's a beautiful day today. But all right, guys, you have a beautiful rest of your evening, and then we'll see you soon in Thailand.